meet Matt, Matt could fit in, but belonging was something different. It has been said that our desire to possess ends up possessing us. Matt was consumed by possessions, and thus desire. When Matt reflects upon life, Matt's thoughts often drift towards the state of the world, the separation, divisions, and dis-ease seen all around us. So many distractions. It can be hard for Matt to focus on what Matt has come here to co-create, or any of the good things being offered in our world. Matt has learned through life's experience to pair pain and struggle with the longing for change and growth. Matt's default settings cause Matt to largely imitate the degrees of separation displayed on the various forms of media Matt has consumed, narrowing Matt's filtered views over time with fears and hopelessness. The consistent ingestion of doom and gloom initiates Matt's version of separation sickness, the propensity to cling to that which causes one to suffer, resulting in harmful automatic responses and behaviors that have become increasingly activated in Matt's daily programmed joinings. Eventually, a life fueled by the unconscious conditioned state of living dualistically can no longer be left ignored. The creative aspect of Matt's being, the urban spiritualist within, began to offer ideas and insights on ways Matt could create anew. And like Matt, we all ultimately become faced with the choice to choose between where we have been and where it is we are going. Matt found us and learned how to roar and transform fear-based desires for change and growth into constructive action within himself and his environment. When we roar, we are pausing at 4 points of awareness to reveal, open, receive, and release. The ROR algorithm is highly adaptable and can be uniquely customized for each individual's specific needs. Through using the ROR practice, we can reveal to the limiting beliefs we are engaging with each time we join into a particular type of program. Then we can open to the reality before us and identify what has triggered us into this default state of being. From there, we receive and take ownership of our thoughts and behaviors. Finally, we release an action plan to reprogram the limiting beliefs that we revealed to in the first place. It is up to us to learn how to create anew so that real change has the opportunity to take place. Together, we thrive and make the difference. Sign up for our virtual newsletter today and become a part of the change.